Love consultant present. 6 signs your wife has been bedded by another man. In choosing a partner or life companion, of course, you must be selective. Various considerations will be considered carefully and not carelessly before finally deciding, yes, I choose her. When it comes to life companions, not only women can make choices, men also have the right to choose which woman deserves to be the mother of their children in the future. Basically, men will choose a good woman who keeps her social life in check, not a woman with a social life who is free to do anything, including sleeping with other men. In society's view, a woman who has slept with other men is not considered a good woman. However, not all men reject women with a bad and negative past. They just want to accept the woman and try to close the past for a better future. But it never hurts. A man knows the signs of a woman who has slept with another man. So, what is it like to recognize the signs of a woman who has slept with another man? The following discussion will be revealed in this video. Number 1. Often leaving the house alone. The first sign is that she leaves the house alone more often. Although it is not certain, but this can raise the question that usually women are the laziest to go out alone. Instead, they leave the house alone more often. A married wife will definitely tell her husband wherever she goes. If a woman often comes home too late and even spends the night out, what does she do? Number 2. Closing very tightly on private matters. If nothing happens, why should it be like that anyway? That condition is also often experienced by someone who often covers up something. A woman who has slept with another man is seen hiding something on her cell phone. She often changes the PIN, password of her cell phone so that it cannot be accessed by her husband, especially about her relationship with another man. Number 3. Lazy to be invited to have intercourse. If the wife usually never refuses to be invited to have intercourse, this time she refused to be invited to have sex. The refusal is not without reason. It could be that she feels quite satisfied having sex with another man. This can also be triggered by the fact that she has received pleasure from the relationship, not only once or twice, even regularly. Number 4. Have a new sex style. The name of a married couple, of course, is very memorized with his favorite sex style. If she has a new style in bed and tries to practice it, this indicates that she got a style of sex that she never did with her husband from another man. Number 5. Daring to be different. Not for her husband, she dares to be different with her appearance, but to satisfy other men to always be interested in her. It is not a sign that a woman has slept with another man, but this could be an indication that she has cheated on her husband. Number 6. Her nature starts to change. Women who have other men, their nature suddenly changes from usual. She looks more sensitive and irritable. Not only that, she is also irritable when pressed with questions. Of course, she will be so worried that the questions will lead to suspicion of her and the man's behavior. These signs are the analysis and assumptions of a romance and household consultant, Rina Asmara, from various existing cases. If any of these reviews feel in line with what happened, then it does not necessarily have to make you put excessive suspicion on your wife and accuse her without evidence. If you feel something strange about your wife, investigate for sure, because the real truth will be revealed if there is strong evidence. Hopefully this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell us your opinion in the comments column. Happy greetings to me, you, and all of us.